Hi everyone, it's Nancy Wethington with you today, and I'm showing you my new briefcase book for Button Farm Club. This was created by GSL Cuts. You've seen me use her work before. She's very talented. Miss Gina and I have worked together for a very long time. Years and years and years. And I loved this book when I saw it, and I asked her if I could use her design, and she said yes, and I loved it, and decided to use the Stamperia travel collection with it, and it worked out, I think, really well. So to hold this, it has handles in the briefcase, decorated on the front. This is paper from my stash. I don't even think it's made anymore, but I just love the textured look to this. And then we used fuzzy cuts and wood die cuts from the Stamperia collection to decorate the front, including the two. These are leather-like. It's paper, but it feels like leather. And a couple of buckles from GSL Cuts, and we're off and running to the races. So let's open this up. Whoops. And this Folio briefcase has two sides to it. It has one side on the left, one side on the right. Both of these open. And we don't use the spine to attach pages, actually. The spine just acts as the bottom of the folio. So let's start with the inside. And we'll start with the inside left. There we go. And I've used some fussy cuts on this to go around some of these beautiful buildings and then make a 4-page photo mat to tuck inside, and decorate it a little bit with the hot air balloon and the wood sign. I don't know what else to call it, but it's really, really cute. These wood pieces are very detailed. So we're going to open this up, and on the left side, we use a magnet to open up. Now this magnet will not be covered until you put your photo here. And then once you do that, you can hear the click of it. It closes. This opens again. Isn't this interesting? I love how she designed this. A pocket with a fussy cut and a journal card. This will also hold 6 photos altogether. And then a belly band that's decorated with some fussy cuts. And this actually opens. There's a magnet at the very bottom of this and a magnet underneath this waterfall. And you have 2, 4, 6, 8 photos and a journaling spot. Then the next page is a tuck behind. And this is a wooden piece. I love this paper with the tags. And you have room for a large photo and 2 4x6 photos. Actually, if you want to put them on both sides, which you can, this would fit 6 photos altogether. Then we'll open this up. And you have a fussy cut pocket. I love, love, love these houses. Again, more tags, enough room for 4 photos. And then we have an upper flip, and this will flip a couple different times. So you can use photos here if you want. I didn't want to cover up all these images, but that's just me. And then a bottom flip. And you can actually journal on top of this with a black pen. That's pretty cool. And then 2 photo mats. So that's the left side. Now we'll move to the right side. And again, I didn't match, but I did take more of the fussy cutting around these wonderful buildings and made a pocket with that. And then you have 3 photo mats, so that's 6 more photos. And I used one of the 4-leaf clover wooden die cuts. The wood die cuts are really cool. Open, and then you have a flip with more of these beautiful images from the travel collection. A journal card. You could add a photo on the back, and then a large photo. That gets tucked in. And then this opens, and you have room for more photos. Close it up. This tucks into the pocket, and we're ready to go. And I did use strips on the wider pieces of this, and I loved these shutters in this doorway. The images on this paper are incredible. And then we have a nice big accordion fold. This will hold 10 photos total. Tucks into a dimensional pocket. We have a little bit of dimension here. Open this up, and we used a magnet again here. Again, your photo will cover this magnet, and you have a magnet that's right here, and that clicks shut. And this opens. Of course, you can put a small photo here, or a journaling card, or a piece of a journaling card, and then 2 photos here. And if you wanted, you could put a large photo here as well. Then the next piece of this opens to the right, and you have a waterfall. Now, this is optional. I covered the front of my waterfalls with journaling spots. You don't have to. If you cover yours with journaling spots, it will hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 photos altogether. If you don't want to, it will hold 8 here if you want to put photos on the top and bottom, and then a 9th photo here. And then I use this wonderful image, and this closes up. And then you have a pocket, a side pocket with a fussy cut, and room here for 6 photos, front and back. This holds a lot of photos. And then a 5x7 photo that you can add to this. I don't know how I always end up traveling with a lot of people, and it seems like we always want a group photo. And then a large belly band with a piece of, not fussy cut, it's not fussy cut. It's the wood embellishment with the car and the luggage on top, which I love. So we're going to close this. And then this closes. And that's the inside of the book. And you're ready for your next button farm kit. Thanks for sticking with me on this. You might have noticed I added a few pieces that didn't show in the directions, but you'll have some leftovers, and I just love adding as much as I can to this. I think it's so cute. Anyway, talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.